We turn your law firm into the #1 app for Uber and Lyft drivers that can be downloaded from the Google Play, App Store, or your website. Drivers can enter their driver ID number to create an account. Drivers can live chat with your office, find local repair shops, car rentals, Uber/Lyft support, and doctors in real time, upload documents, and check their case status. Rideshare drivers can store driver's license, car insurance, car registration, AAA roadside assistance while chatting with the attorney real time. Report new accidents and provide other passengers' information real time. Upload accident-related info into the app. This includes accident details, location, time, pictures, video, witnesses, and more. One-click referral. Refer your firm to another driver with a single click. Dashboard. With a custom central dashboard, your team can connect with drivers to see all client details. You can access all accident and client-related information as it happens. Build your own firm ride-sharing clients benefits via the mobile app. Uber drivers need an attorney. Connect with hundreds of drivers. Promote your app today.